science fiction is arguably the best genre in the entire cinematic arena. It's an incredibly flexible field that allows writers, filmmakers, and actors to show off their creativity without being hampered by the confines of other genres. All sci fi films can have elements of action, drama, romance, adventure, and mystery. With that in mind, we have gone through the available sci fi films that are currently streaming on Netflix to provide you with a better range of movies for a variety of tastes. Snowpiercer is a movie set in a future where a climate correction experiment gone wrong has killed all life. The last lucky few members of human race travel aboard the Snowpiercer, a globe-trotting train. However, mankind resorts to the same evils that divided themselves against each other for a millennia, leading to a class structure that separates and segregates the travelers all along the length of the train. With conflict among the classes comes the escalation to violence and the discovery of some awful truths. Snowpiercer is damn close to a perfect movie. It perfectly encapsulates many, if not all, of the evils of society and the primitive forces that drive human beings, even those who claim themselves to be civilized. The cinematography is one of a kind, owing to the stretched and linear nature of the train itself, forcing the camera and the audience to watch along as the narrative unspools in a side-scrolling manner. Next up, we have Solo, a Star Wars story. The movie highlights a journey to the galaxy far, far away, along with all-new adventure with the most beloved scoundrel in the galaxy, through a series of daring escapades deep within a dark and dangerous criminal underworld. Han Solo meets his mighty future co-pilot Chewbacca and encounters an evil gambler, Lando, in a journey that will set the course of one of the Star Wars saga's most unlikely heroes. If you're in the mood for a really weird sci-fi indie movie and you haven't seen Under the Skin yet, now's your chance. The film hails from filmmaker Jonathan Glazer, who previously directed the arresting features like Birth. In the movie, Scarlett Johansson plays an otherworldly being who preys on men in Scotland. This is a very ethereal, visually stunning movie, but if you are looking for a complex plot or a lot of dialogue, it may not be for you. Johansson's stalking and subsequent attacking of men is violent and strange and oddly beautiful. And indeed, the film is rich with theme and subtext that are up for the viewer's interpretation. Because sometimes you just want to lean in on the terror, and judging by the way Contagion has shot up the ranks in most popular titles, you are not alone. But Contagion isn't streaming anywhere at the moment, so if you are keeping it Netflix centric, set your sights on Outbreak, the 1995 epidemic drama that sees a team of epidemiologists confronting a viral outbreak in Los Angeles after a real clown man tries to sell an infected monkey on the black market. It's a mid-90s drama packed to the brim with the stars of the hour, and while it's an imperfect and uneven film, it still gets under your skin. Ready Player One should be essential watching for anyone who grew up in the 80s and 90s. The film takes place in year 2045 when much of the humanity uses the virtual reality software Oasis to escape the disillusion of the real world. Orphan teenager Wade Watts discovers the clues to hidden game within the program that promises the winner full ownership of the Oasis, and joins several allies to complete the game before the large company run by businessman Nolan Sorrento can do so.